Want to protect someone's privacy or add a professional touch to your video edits? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to blur a face using CapCut. By the end of this video, you'll know how to easily hide sensitive details and create a polished result, whether you're making a vlog, a TikTok, or just cleaning up family footage before sharing online. Let's jump right in. So first things first, open up CapCut on your device. If you're new to CapCut, don't worry. This part is super straightforward. The app has a clean interface, so you'll see the Create New button almost immediately. Go ahead and tap that. This is where your project begins, like setting out a fresh canvas. It gives you a blank space to work on and lets your creativity take center stage. Next, you'll want to select Blank Canvas. The reason we're starting with a blank canvas is that it gives you total control over what you add and where. Perfect for learning how the blurring works without any distractions or automatic settings. Think of it like starting a painting. You get to choose all the colors and brushstrokes yourself. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a template sample. This sample acts as your playground, a base layer for testing the blur effect. If you're working with your own footage, you can upload it here instead. For practice, though, CapCut's template samples let you play around with effects in a risk-free way. Take a moment to scroll and pick one that has a clear face or object you can blur. Something obvious helps you see the results. Alright, now that your template is set up, let's dive into the fun part, adding that blur effect. Look for the Effects button, which is usually located at the bottom menu bar. Tap on it to enter CapCut's library of video effects. Here's a little tip. There are tons of effects, so rather than scrolling forever, just type blur into the search box. This instantly filters out everything except for blur-related effects, saving you loads of time. You'll see several different blur options pop up. Some are for the whole screen, others are stylized or have cool animation touches. For blurring a face, I recommend choosing a targeted blur, usually called face blur or something similar. This effect will let you blur only the specific area you select, rather than the entire video. It's like drawing over only the parts you want hidden, rather than fogging up the whole window. Click on the blur effect that looks best for your situation. You can preview each one by tapping on it. Don't worry if you're not sure just yet. CapCut lets you try effects out without permanently changing your video. Once you've chosen, you'll be able to adjust the size and the intensity of the blur using on-screen sliders. Make sure the blur fully covers the face you want to hide. If you need to reposition it, just drag the blur area to match up with the face. Take your time here. Precision matters, so you don't accidentally block out anything you still want visible. And that's it. Your video now has a blurred face. You can play it back to make sure the effect tracks well and the blur is secure. If anything looks off, just tweak the settings until it's right. It might take a few tries, and that's totally normal. Editing is all about experimenting and finding what works. So now you're all set with a powerful privacy tool in CapCut. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple video editing guides just like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another effect you want to learn. I'm always here to help, and I'll catch you in the next video.